Hi everybody, it's Tom from FindTheBestCarPrice.com. Today I'm going to show you how to pair your phone in your 2023 GMC Sierra 1500. Really any 2023 GMC truck that has the modern or updated infotainment system. So we're going to hit Manage Phones down here, and then we're going to go to Add Phone. And that's going to give you some instructions on the screen, and ultimately it's going to lead you into settings. And I am using an iPhone right here, but if you have an Android device, it's not going to be much different. But it tells you exactly what to do here. Select Bluetooth, which we're going to do. And then you need to make sure that your Bluetooth obviously is on, and then go down and select My GMC. It's going to be at the very bottom down here. So I'm going to hit that, and here is what's going to happen. It's going to ask me to pair. Make sure that the number is the same on your screen and on the infotainment screen. You can hit pair right there. We're going to hit allow. I'm also going to hit pair right here on the screen as well, and let it do its thing. So there we go. We're set, and you don't have to necessarily allow this. That's not a big deal. But one thing that's very important here that you do want to make sure you allow. Let's go back home right here. You have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And since we have an Apple device here, we're obviously going to hit Apple CarPlay right here. And notice that I'm doing all of this without doing anything to wire to connect a wire USB cable to my phone. And so what we're going to do, this is all done wirelessly. We're going to hit Apple CarPlay right here on the phone, and it's going to say turn on. So we're going to hit turn on right there, and then we're going to hit enable right here, just because of the terms of use, all that stuff. I'm not going to worry about boring you with that, but we're going to enable everything. And the good thing about this is that obviously it's going to basically pair your phone to the screen and turn the screen into your phone. All your contacts and all that good stuff will be there. But you can also play your favorite music here right through your Bose premium sound system, as far as what we have here in this particular truck, the GMC Denali Ultimate for the Sierra 1500. But that's how you ultimately do that. It's very simple, very easy to do, done wirelessly, and now you know how to pair your phone on your 2023 GMC Sierra pickup truck. To learn more about the model in today's video, visit the link in the description for a detailed comparison between trims and pricing for the vehicle we featured, or any vehicle you may be interested in. These pages feature information such as our recommended trim level based on price, value, and features. Thank you for taking the time to watch today's video. We look forward to seeing you next time.